If Photoshop is refusing to open your JPG file, don't worry, because this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to figure out whether the problem is the JPG itself or just Photoshop, and then I'll show you the best simple fix that works in most cases. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we need to check whether the JPG file is actually valid. This is the most important step because sometimes Photoshop gets blamed when the real problem is the image file itself. To test that, open the same JPG in Windows Photos. If you're on a browser, you can also drag the image directly into Chrome and see if it opens there. This gives you a very quick answer. If the image opens normally in Windows Photos or in the browser, then the file is probably fine, and the issue is most likely with Photoshop or the way Photoshop is reading that specific file format. But if the image does not open in either of those places, then the file is likely corrupted, incomplete, or damaged during download or transfer. In that case, Photoshop is not the real issue because the JPG itself is broken. Now, if your JPG does open in Photos or in the browser, here's the most effective fix. Resave the image in a clean format before trying it again in Photoshop. The easiest way to do that is to open the JPG in Paint. Once the image is open, go to File, then choose Save As, and select JPEG. Save it as a brand new file with a different name. This step is powerful because it removes bad encoding or file data that may be causing Photoshop to fail when opening the original image. After saving the new version, go back to Photoshop and open that freshly saved JPG instead. In many cases, this new file will open without any problem at all. If it works, then you've confirmed the issue was with the original file structure, not your entire Photoshop setup. If the file still does not open after that, you may be dealing with a more serious corruption issue, or the image may have been saved in a way that is not fully compatible. At that point, try getting a fresh copy of the image if possible, or export it again from the original source. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Photoshop error opening JPG is simple. First, check whether the image opens in Windows Photos or Chrome, and if it does, resave it in Paint as a new JPEG file, then try opening that new file in Photoshop. That one extra step fixes the problem for a lot of people. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.